Alright, this is how to find foreign exchange Forex prices live, or Forex prices live, completely for free.
If this helped, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. Presets and effects for life, click the link down below and enjoy the tutorial.
The first website is called forexfactory.com. This is quite common, and basically we are on the main website. You can see here that we have the euro to the USD, the Great Britain to USD, the USD to JPY, USD chef, and these are the current prices. If you were to click on this, you can even type in the instrument you would like to see. If you go to the top right hand screen, you have settings, and you can mess around with these settings completely for free. The next one is TradingView. Basically, you would want to sign in or get started, or you can even click right here to search the markets, and you can type in whatever you would like. So let's say USD JPY, and then you can click here Forex, and then click right here to launch the chart, and this will pull up the chart and you can see the prices live with TradingView, even if you don't have an account, and the price will be at the bottom right hand screen right here. Third website is forexlive.com. This is actually a much better website, probably the best in my opinion, because, well, you can see all of the Forex prices right here for the month, for all. You can even take a look at futures, crypto, stocks, indices, etc. This is completely for free. I'll leave all links down in the video description. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped.